The warmth of the Himalayas, an introduction to Nepali life. Nepal, a landlocked country nestled in the lap of the Himalayas, is known for its stunning natural beauty and the warmth of its people. The Nepali way of life is a vibrant tapestry, woven with ancient traditions, spiritual beliefs, and a strong sense of community. From the bustling streets of Kathmandu to the tranquil villages in the mountains, life in Nepal unfolds at a pace that reveres both the old and the new. Despite the challenges posed by modernization and globalization, the Nepali people have held onto their cultural heritage with remarkable resilience. Family values remain deeply rooted in society, and respect for elders is paramount. Hospitality is not just a custom but a way of life, with guests welcomed with open arms and warm smiles. A tale of two lives, city versus countryside. Life in Nepal's cities, like Kathmandu, is a blend of tradition and modernity. The day often begins with a cup of chia or tea and a plate of sel roti, which is sweet rice bread. People navigate busy streets, markets overflowing with colorful produce, and the constant hum of activity. In contrast, life in rural Nepal moves at a slower, more deliberate pace. The day starts early, with the rising sun painting the snow-capped peaks in hues of pink and orange. Agriculture forms the backbone of the rural economy, and families work together in the fields, cultivating rice, lentils, and vegetables. Family ties that bind, relationships, and social harmony. Family plays a central role in Nepali culture. Extended families often live together, fostering a strong sense of belonging and support. Respect for elders is deeply ingrained, and their wisdom is highly valued in the decision-making. Social interactions are characterized by warmth and politeness. The traditional greeting of Namaste, with palms pressed together, reflects the inherent respect for others. Festivals, an integral part of Nepali life, provide opportunities for communities to come together and celebrate their shared heritage. From fields to offices, work and traditions in Nepal. Traditionally, agriculture has been the primary occupation in Nepal, with farmers working tirelessly to sustain their families and communities. However, with increasing urbanization and globalization, new job sectors have emerged in cities. Despite these changes, many traditional occupations such as pottery, weaving, and wood carving continue to thrive, showcasing the enduring legacy of Nepali craftsmanship. The younger generation, while embracing modern professions, remains connected to their roots, ensuring that age-old traditions are passed down to future generations.